Halo kakak. Ya.
Ini dari Biren nih.
Kami dari komunitas Ladies Gembira Biren akan mengikut mensukseskan acara Jejak 3.
Oke, semangat kakak. Bilang loh kakak, jangan lupa subscribe.
Jangan lupa subscribe,
Channel
and comment channel
Arif Fernandi.
Arif Finandi.
Oke, siap. Sampai jumpa di finish kakak.
Oke, duluan ya. Yuk, Bang.
Hey kid, don't ever let them get inside your head. They'll tell you what to do in life instead of everything you know that you can get. Don't let them guide your life towards regret. I'll fight for what I love with every breath. My past is filled with things I won't forget. I use them all to push me to my best. So treat the worst of times just like a test.